Think in English. So many teachers say if you try to think in English, you could able to speak fast. You could learn fast. This is the best process if you think in English. For do this, they say narrate something. Whatever you are watching or in front of you, you can narrate it in your mind. In this way, you can think in English. Also, some teacher says you can say every day 2 to 3 hours with very short sentence, like this is a fruit, this is an apple, this is a tree, give me the tree. In this way, each and every day, if you speak small sentence, you can think in English later. But I am saying you find first very easy to understandable English conversation from good source. And you listen it. You listen it 100 times, 200 times. Every day, 2 to 3 hours. You listen 6 months, 1 year. Automatically, this listening process automatically change your mind. Automatically, you could able to think in English. If you try, you would understand later. You need to try it. If you listen every day, 2 to 3 hours, easy to understandable English conversation, easy to understandable English story, your brain will fulfill a huge number of English sentences. And also you will repeat it. So your brain will fulfill by English sentences after 1 year. And when fulfill, your brain automatically come out sentence from your mouth. No doubt. You could able to speak, you could able to think in English. No doubt. You need to listen easy to understand well, which is very easy by you. Find it from a good source who is speaking very good. Find such person, video, and collect it. Collect all videos or all audio. If you get only audio, it is very good. You need to take huge audio conversation, put it in your mobile micro SD card and listen it. I assure you, no doubt, you could able to think in English. You can speak in English very easily. If you give more time for this, if you listen different kind of English conversation, if you listen different kind of English conversation from different source and repeat it, if you repeat it, all conversation, later around the globe, if anybody come and say in English with you, you can speak. You will build a strong confidence. Your fear will be gone. You will not feel any stressful. When you will build a confidence, then everything you will get in English. You can speak with anybody around the globe.